Hi, I'm Aste Palczewski. I'm one of the co-founders of My Shipping Post.
My name is Dylan Palczewski. I'm also a co-founder of My Shipping Post, and we actually came from the College of Business right here at MSU, and interesting enough, we both went through the accounting program, and I actually did the financing program as well, which we felt has served us well with this entrepreneurial venture that we took on.
And so as far as My Shipping Post, we are revolutionizing the way that people ship packages by leveraging the existing infrastructure of mail consolidator networks.
Yeah, so we basically offer big shipper rates to small-time shippers, and so to people of all sizes, our shippers of all sizes. Oh my gosh, we did not know what we were getting into. We didn't know what to expect when we signed up for the accelerator. And I would say I was pleasantly surprised. The mentors that we worked with have been so knowledgeable, and it seems like every day they're opening like new doors and introducing us to new ideas that we just had never thought of before. You know, because as an entrepreneur, you kind of get in your little bubble, you know, and you work so hard on your problem. And, being able to speak to people who are on the legal side of things and people who are, providing money or investing, to take a step into their shoes and understand how they're looking at your business is invaluable as an entrepreneur.
Yeah, and I would say I knew when I heard about the Hyper Accelerator that it would be valuable, because anytime you're going to work directly on your business, it's valuable. The thing that I was probably most pleasantly surprised with is having a ton of mentors that we got to meet different mentors every single day, and these mentors actually picked parts out of our business that could use some work, you know, things that we never ever saw because we are in that bubble. We're in that closed, tight knit, and we know this industry, but these mentors stepping outside of our industry have given us a lot of really valuable feedback.
Definitely. I mean, from my perspective, I think the biggest thing that we changed was we were always trying to figure out who exactly we were serving, because with our model, we are a B2B to B business, right? And we were focusing on that last B way more than our immediate customers. And so it seems like all of the mentors have really pointed out, hey guys, stop focusing so much on the end client and focus on your core group.
Right.
And that has, simplified our entire business model and really brought a lot of things together.
Well,
my name is Jake Cook. I'm a co-founder here at Tadpole.
And I'm Lee Cook. I'm the other co-founder here at Tadpole.
And we work with mid-market e-commerce companies looking to scale up using AI across inventory, marketing campaigns, and customer data. So what we basically do with mid-market e-commerce companies, these are businesses usually between 5 and 75 million. We help them grow their site traffic and identify their best customers, and then build campaigns against those based on what they have in stock to sell. It's been fantastic just to have a week to just focus on the business versus working in it, which is kind of hard to do when you're running a startup. So that's been wonderful, and having deliverables sometimes every hour, and homework at night is a forcing function to make sure you think through some of these bigger picture issues which tend to get lost in the day-to-day.
I think just, really having the time to go deep on our company and get other people's perspective and kind of get out of the echo chamber that is your own company, and get that input. I think we kind of anticipated getting some of that, but I think the level of expertise and people you've been able to bounce ideas off of is just, really been amazing.
My name is Taylor. I'm the CEO of Charmed. Charmed is a dating advice app. We help your friends get the date they deserve. Dating online is an unsatisfactory experience. It's extremely isolating, it's unfulfilling, it's often daunting. We fix those problems. We make dating a social experience. We bring your friends and support network into the mix, into the fold, which replicates how dating really is. It takes a village. Dating is hard, and if we can get even one more person on a quality date, we call that a success. expectations. What did I think we were getting into by coming to the Hyper Accelerator? Honestly, I didn't have many. I was excited and optimistic, but had no idea what was going to happen. I knew the goals were really lofty, really learned a ton, talked to a lot of brilliant people in a very short period of time, and that is about as much as I expected, which is a lot, and it has totally delivered. Our positioning, our vision of ourselves, our goals, and the future have all crystallized this week in a way that I didn't expect. I didn't think was really attainable or possible, but they have. It's been probably the most impactful 5 days in the history of Charmed. The Hyper Accelerator has paired us with a different mentor each day. That being said, the entire cast of people that have been here this week have reached out to us as mentors. So I could say I've had one mentor just as easily as I could say I've had 50 mentors this week. The individual days with paired specific mentors have been overwhelmingly positive. We've had some really right and well put objections poked into our idea, which is, I think, the point. But it's been incredibly supportive throughout, and a lot of really quality and future-looking relationships have been formed, things that I think we will continue to interact and engage with these people going forward. I am now realizing that I am defining myself and my career based on Charmed. So in that respect, it's the most important thing I'm building, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Recommended that I should apply for the early stage Montana program. Went to the pitch competition in Missoula and ended up winning it. It was a surprise to us, but it was really exciting. My name is Tom Donahue. I'm the CEO and founder of DRIMS. DRIMS stands for Disaster Recovery Integrated Management System. What we do is we're providing a platform for organizations to work more efficiently together and manage their resources so that when it comes time to address the needs of the individual impacted by the disaster, they can more efficiently identify and address those needs. And it's been exciting to see their response. They really like what we're doing. They understand that we're looking to serve the individual first. That's our first and foremost. This is not a software play. It's really about people. So they're really excited. So that's. I didn't recognize the type of work or how much it would stretch us from a business standpoint. We thought we were fairly organized and had all of our details together. And through this Hyper Accelerator this week, it really stretched us from a comfort zone perspective, really had us look at things in a totally new way, even accelerate parts of our business that we thought, well, we can put that off. And so it's just, the mentors have been great, the content's been amazing, but the impact to our business leaving here is huge. They've had various mentors kind of cycle in throughout the week, and I think the broad experience that each one of them's brought to, in my interactions, has been amazing, right? Everybody who, from a venture capital person to a person who bootstrapped their business, I think it's all those different perspectives, but the experience that they've brought and shared with me from their own businesses, but then how, hey, you should consider this, so how to apply it to what we're trying to do at DRIMS, it's been invaluable.
My name is Brian Boyette, and I'm the CEO and founder of Raven Customer Service Intelligence. It's a software application that captures the patient experience real time to provide actionable results for healthcare management and providers. We're excited to have the opportunity to leverage this software to enhance that patient experience for healthcare organizations. It's been an incredible experience. I've learned so much, and what I realize is how much I don't really know about how to get funding for a business. This is an excellent opportunity for you guys to have that insight, that knowledge, that advisory board. These guys know business, and they really know how to make it, put everything together to help you accelerate your vision for the future and how you can enhance other people's lives. I realized there was gaps on what my knowledge was, even as an angel investor, and what the others in the room when they made decisions. So coming in here, I realized I didn't have a lot of knowledge with respect to that. How do you raise money? What's the key elements for doing that? And I also realized, that lack of knowledge, I've been enhanced, leverage other people's money, and I think one of the biggest gifts that I got out of this whole session was you need advisors, you need a team, you need people around you in order to be successful. And by coming to this Hyper Accelerator program, these are the resources in Montana that can actually help you make a difference in your business. They'll coach you, they'll lead you, they'll support you, they'll guide you through all those hidden traps and paths. It will give you the opportunity to avoid those traps and really help you understand how you could take your business, make it a viable business, and then ultimately make it profitable and drive jobs and revenue in our community.
Hi, yeah, I'm Shane Beams, founder and CEO of Vision Aerial. The U.S. infrastructure is crumbling, and in order for the operators of that infrastructure to keep up on maintenance and the like, they're going to be required to innovate. Vision Aerial manufactures drone aircraft that use the power of automation to empower that innovation. Conventional methods for inspecting infrastructure are slow. They're expensive, they're logistically complicated, and they're dangerous, both to the operators of the equipment as well as the public. Transitioning to drone technology removes people from harm's way and drastically reduces the cost, both financially and logistically. So that is the complete solution that we offer. The specific part that we manufacture of that complete solution is the aircraft itself. Incredible. I had pretty high expectations coming into the accelerator, and they have been exceeded. The quality of mentorship has been absolutely incredible. I've not only changed some of the ways I think about my business, but the way I think we can help our customers has also evolved. Now, we've had great mentorship on everything from how to value your company and how to help with fundraising and that sort of thing, but much more importantly than that, a fundamental way to re-look at the way you assess how you provide value to your customer and your community. And that kind of fundamental, take a step back and look at what you do from a more orbital view is important, I think, particularly for startups, but for anybody that owns a company, to make sure that you have a occasional gut check on what it is you do and how do you make sure that you continue to add the most value you can.